When it comes to the future of electric transportation, it's hard to stay grounded, which is why Zpryme is taking to the skies with our latest research report on urban air mobility. When you think of urban air mobility, you probably think of drones taking aerial photos of group events or ferrying around packages ordered online. Indeed, when looking at the data, you can see most people are familiar with at least the drones. While these drones will play a significant role in the transportation of goods and the collection of data, there's even more potential in urban air mobility. Unmanned aerial taxis are being implemented in places like China to bring passengers short distances to predetermined locations. It's early, but the branching out of urban air potential is promising. Now, most people are not currently invested in the idea of unmanned aerial transportation for their own person. The most enthusiastic support comes from the use of drones as recreation. And why not? Drones are fun. But through that hobby is a gateway to more practical functions, such as being able to help save people through search and rescue. The notion of personal safety doesn't just apply to the potential benefits of these technologies. It also drives concern and apprehension. How do we make sure these flying scraps of metal are not hurting property or people? And if developers of urban air transportation technology want greater enthusiasm and recognition of the technologies that will drive personal and cargo transportation of the future, these issues must be addressed. So, what does all this mean for the future of urban air mobility? It means that we've not quite arrived at the vision of unmanned vehicles zipping past each other above a city, transferring people and goods, but the road to achieving that vision becomes clearer every day. If the issues of safety and privacy are properly and earnestly addressed by developers, urban planners, and regulators, then the sky's the limit for the transformative power of urban air mobility.